When it comes to being an Amazon associate, you want to make sure that you stay on the program and avoid certain mistakes and be compliant with the terms of service. And that's what this video is about. In this video, we're going to talk about the 3 common mistakes that causes people to be kicked out of the Amazon affiliate program. Now, the very first thing that gets people kicked out of the program is the no direct link sharing rule. If you break this rule, you might as well kiss your account goodbye. Amazon does not allow sharing of links directly on certain social media platforms, and especially on email and on PDF. So if you have like a lead generation thing that you're doing, you have a PDF that you're offering, and then you leave your links in the PDFs, they're clickable in the PDFs, or you have a newsletter and then you directly promote your Amazon links in that email, you are going to most likely get kicked out of the program. And even if you don't get kicked out of the program and you make sales through those channels, they're most likely not going to count as qualifying leads and make you money through the Amazon Associate program. Other platforms you need to watch out for are Discord and how you use social media. So most people, what they do is once they have their account verified, they start to spam people and start to send their links to many different social media platforms and comment sections and hope that somebody will click on their affiliate link and then they would make some commission. You don't want to do this. This is almost guaranteed to get your account blocked. Now, there are best practices when it comes to sharing your Amazon affiliate link, and some of those are to always share your links on platforms that you have access to, that you control in a sense. So your social media profiles, your YouTube channel, if you have a website, your blog and stuff that you own. And also make sure that you provide these channels on your Amazon account as places where you're going to be driving traffic from. And if you do this, it will make the data make sense for Amazon. So when they see that you have a TikTok account, traffic is coming from your TikTok profile and not some random person's TikTok profile because you've posted your links on their comment section, then it will make sense that this is something that you own. This is a profile that you own, and any lead coming from there is going to be classified as a qualifying sale. Now, the second reason why you could get kicked out of the program is when you make self purchases or try to buy stuff from Amazon using your own Amazon links. And also, if you send your Amazon links to friends and family, or you try to trade purchases, so you have somebody use your affiliate link, maybe another affiliate on Amazon use your affiliate link and you use their affiliate link, definitely this is going to get you blocked. And sometimes people think that Amazon is not going to figure out. They have very smart systems put in place to figure out who is using these sharp practices to try to cheat the system. And the easiest of all for them to figure out is when you try to purchase your own products using your own account. You don't want to do any self-purchasing to make any sales of any sort. So, and sometimes people make the mistake of clicking on a link that from their website or something, and then because Amazon has a 24-hour cookie duration, and then the very next day they go on Amazon to buy something and not knowing that they have clicked on their affiliate link, it could have been a mistake, but this can get you in trouble. So you don't want to make the mistake of intentionally or unintentionally using your own affiliate links. Now, the third very common mistake that people make as Amazon associates is providing misleading marketing information when promoting their affiliate links. So sometimes in trying to get your audience to click on your links, maybe on your website if you're blogging, some marketers would make false or misleading product claims. So they can say something like the buyers will get a discount when there is no discount, or there is a promotion when there is no promotion. Or they could say that using their own link specifically could get them to have some type of discount when that is not true. And there are so many other ways that you can word your marketing to mislead the audience to make them click on your affiliate link, and Amazon frowns at this. So you want to make sure that you are not making any false marketing claims when using your Amazon affiliate links. Now, this list, of course, is not an exhaustive list. These are not the only things that can get you kicked out of the program. There are other things that you can do, and some of it are in your use of Amazon images. There are rules and there are things that you need to apply when you're using images from the platform to promote things on your own website or somewhere else outside of Amazon. And there are things like how you solicit for link clicks, Amazon frowns at you trying to emotionally blackmail people into clicking your links and begging for links and asking them to support you, or using any other emotional gimmicks to get people to click your links. And there's also mistake of non-disclosure of being an affiliate with Amazon. So Amazon expects you to let your audience know that you could get a commission when they use your links to make purchases on Amazon. So if you're making content on YouTube or on your blog or anywhere else, you want to put a disclaimer somewhere and make it easily accessible, make it visible for your audience to know that you are in the Amazon Associate program. One easy way to do it is to set it as a default on your YouTube, like we have here. Even videos where I am not sharing any affiliate links, it appears, it's almost always there by default that I am a member of the Amazon Associate program and other affiliate programs. So links that you click could have me make some commission. You can also set this default in your website and on your social media posts. So there are so many other things like this that I may not cover in detail, platform specific things that you should be doing. So if you're a blogger or you're a YouTuber or you use social media to drive traffic, you can see platform specific things that you should be doing or not doing to make sure that you're not kicked out of the program. All these mistakes that I've mentioned up to this point are things that will get you permanently banned. But then there is also a soft kick out from the program. This happens when you do not make 3 qualifying sales within the first 180 days of creating your Amazon Associate account. It's different from the others because Amazon allows you to to come back into the program or try to create another Associate account with the same Amazon account that you used before. This is like them saying that you should go and build up your influence before you come join the program. But anytime you feel like you want to come back and join the program, they accept you with open arms. Actually, that's the most common type of ban when it comes to being an Amazon associate. Sometimes it's difficult for people to make that first 3 sales, especially when you do not have enough prior influence on the internet. And which is why I have made a video on how you can make your first 3 qualifying sales if you are new to the Amazon Associates program. And the first link in the description will be a link to the video where you are going to learn my strategy to make your first 3 qualifying sales, even if you don't have prior influence on the internet. So it's going to be a short mini course and it's absolutely for free. And no, I am not selling you anything else afterwards. I am not selling you any other course or any other things after that. So just sign up if you want to learn how you can make your first 3 qualifying sales in your first 180 days as an Amazon associate.